Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and today let me show you how to activate your Halifax credit card. So there are two ways to easily activate your card in order to use it right away. So you can download their application, which is the Halifax Mobile Banking, and you can also go to this page right here, which is the halifax.co.uk/creditcards/activate.html. After that, just scroll down a little bit and you can see right here the online form guide and the mobile banking app guide. So kindly press the mobile banking app guide and the online form guide, then press activate your card. After that, it will redirect you to this page right here where you can easily activate and set up your card. So just provide your credit card number, your date of birth, and expiry date, and just just like that, you can now activate your card without a hassle or downloading any app. And that is all. Thank you.